It's rolling this. So what you got going on here? What you making?
Pizza.
What kind of pizza?
Chicken broccoli.
Okay. So how you did this?
Make your pizza dough, roll it out,
Uh-huh.
and then I use like an Alfredo sauce.
Okay.
And you put a broccoli on it.
Any kind of Alfredo sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, but today we're using this one?
Yeah, I like the ragu. It's good.
Ragu? Okay, we're using the Ragu Alfredo sauce today.
Just break up the chicken a little bit so it's
Okay.
not big pieces.
So this is, you call this chicken broccoli pizza?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very nice. Looks delicious.
It's good.
Not even done yet and it looks that good. Very colorful, and the display of it is very, very interesting. I have to try this when I have time. Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
So this is, how much degrees you put this in the oven for?
450.
450 for how long?
12 minutes.
For 12 minutes?
Yep.
And you got a ready cooked meal?
Yep.
Wow. I love to see the before and
Now
after.
you put the cheese.
So after you add the chicken onto it with the broccoli, you add cheese. Really?
Mozzarella and cheddar.
You like mozzarella and cheddar cheese?
Put mozzarella, yeah.
Okay.
And cheddar. Melts good
Melts good on the chicken and the broccoli
on the pizza.
for the pizza. It's a good look. Okay. So that's the cheddar?
Yes.
Wow. That looks great.
Just bake it.
And then you just apply that to that, and then afterwards you add it to the oven for 450 degrees
For 12
for
minutes.
12 minutes, and then you have your chicken broccoli pizza. You should go to add it to the oven for 12 minutes.